Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks, and I'm actually super excited to be able to decorate my first weekly spread in my Hobonichi weeks, which I will be using for my work planner. So I will be using stickers from the Holly kit from Let's Plan It, along with some of these beautiful winter leaves from According to Allie. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the first time that I will be planning in this, so I'm excited but also nervous because I want to make sure I get it right. So I'm gonna move this. Where do I want to move it? You know what, I will move this to the side for now because it is removable. And I will take how do I want to do this? Because I can also use these in, oh, there's so many nice ones. Because I think if I take this, it's not going to fit, obviously. I will cut it to about there and place it. Ooh, fits nicely. And then do the same on the other side, and I'm already noticing that it's not straight. Of course it's not, because, you know, why would I ever put a sticker down straight? And then just a snip. Ooh, I like it. And I like that there's some left over as well. And then I'm going to, because I know I basically have these days off. So I'm going to, actually, and this is huge. So, I'm going to do it like this. And then place one of those there, because I don't really need that area. And then up at the top, I will turn this around and place this up here. Now I know I'll probably need a lot of room for notes, so I don't want to cover it too much. But cover, put one of these down. Ooh, love it. With I don't know. I actually really love the way that looks, and I'm so excited for being able to use this on a week-to-week basis. But one of the things I do want to do is actually cover, I say cover, but put those colored dots on top of the dates to just make them stand out a little bit more. And I think that color will also go really well. And those are dots that are in my shop. Okay, so I think the red and the darker green will go, and the brown. Oh, I love it. Already love it. Yes, there is something to be said about just adding a little bit of color with dots. Like, who knew? Oh my goodness. Really pretty. And I mean, it's just a little bit of decoration, but I think it makes a huge difference. Okay, and then a red one. Oh, I can hear Lucy coming. Hey, puppy. It's gonna be underneath. Okay, so now what I think I'm gonna do is go ahead and split this to my meetings. I'm still deciding whether to do like to-do list here. We'll see, but I'll go ahead and do that now. So now I'm going to go ahead and write in my meetings, and then my to-do lists, I can write some of them in, and then the rest I will write in as the week goes. There is the overall finished spread. I've written in the meetings. I have a lot of meetings because I do a lot of coachings, and then this section will be used for notes that I need to take for the week or any other things I need to catch up on. That day I am off, so I am going to take a day off sticker. Super happy that I have that day off. Yay. And yeah, but I do like the look of it so far. I'm really looking forward to how functional I can have this, and I actually do like having meeting and to do up here. I mean, like looking ahead, I'm gonna know that it's December by, you know, the number and things like that, so I don't necessarily need it to say November or whatever it is, but I do like the look of it. I don't know if this is too much decoration or just enough, but we'll see how we get on. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.